Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another video. So it is another week of what sold on eBay and Mercari. So today is actually Tuesday. We didn't get any orders on Sunday or Monday, but we got an order early in the morning. We got an order and we got an offer. The offer has not accepted, nor have they paid or anything like that. But we have one person who paid, and it's actually a good one. So when I just uploaded, and it is a Starbucks cup right here. Isn't it really pretty? And it says London in it, and it has the barcode. It has the little Starbucks symbol right there. I got this at a church rummage. It was like a fundraiser that they were doing I can't remember what they were saving up for, but you pay what you want. So you just donate how much money you want. And I got this. I think I have probably less than $1 put into this. And this actually sold for $35 and plus shipping. So that is an awesome, because a lot of these were going for like $45, $49, and they were like brand new. But I sold this and somebody bought it for full price for $35 plus shipping. Shipping is probably going to be around $7, $8, because it is going to be more than a pound. And it's going to be going priority. So I'm going to be stuffing this and patting this very, very, very well. But anyways, so that is it for Tuesday. So this came in early Tuesday morning. And, but yeah, $35. And I think that's it. And hopefully we'll have some new, offers come in, new bids. And yeah, that's about it. So I will see you guys next time for another item that's sold. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday and it's actually just a slow week. So we only have one order, and it is something that I already sold before, but I have extras. I think I have like 2 extra or something like that. I'm just gonna move this crate down. We got to do another one. But anyway, so it's very slow. I got this from Mercari, and it is a sale for the Hallmark number 11, the Stranger Things. I did sell one of these off of eBay a couple of weeks ago, and then this one sold on Mercari. So I have this one. Then I actually have one more, I believe, and it is going to be really relisted on Mercari and on eBay. I think I was asking $11 for this, and I sent out an offer for $10, and somebody accepted it and paid for it. And then they sent me a sweetest message saying, thank you so much. My son is going to love it. So that's going to be awesome. I can't wait for them to give this to their son. But yeah, so $10. I probably have about $1 or $2 in this. It's from Christmas from last year. I got it when it was 75% off. But yeah, so this is my second Hallmark Stranger Things that was sold. So that is it for Wednesday. So hopefully, I know the reason why I'm not getting a lot of sales is because I haven't been posting on eBay or Mercari. I haven't been uploading more items, because usually when you do upload more items, then you have a higher chance of like traffic and everything for your shop. But I haven't done that since Sunday. So hopefully when my dinner is cooking, after I prep it and everything, hopefully I can put up some Christmas ornaments, because I really need to do that. But anyway, so yeah, so that is it. And I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Friday and I'm coming on here because of course we made a sale. This sale is off of eBay, and I got this from my Ipsy bag again. It is this Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara from the brand Item. Never heard of this brand. I've never used it or anything. I just, like, you can see that it's not open. But anyways, so this was going for, I think, $15 plus free shipping because the shipping's going to be literally less than probably $4. It's probably going to be like $3.19 or so, if I have to guess. But yeah, but it also, I sent an offer for $12.50 and somebody did accept it. So this is $12.50. And then I have to pay for shipping, which is going to be around $3. So roughly the profit, Jared's making so much noise in the kitchen. He's trying to put up dishes. But anyways, my profit is probably going to be around $8 or $9. So it's still good. But yeah, so that is what sold on Friday. We didn't get any orders on Thursday, which is totally fine. It is a very, very, very slow week. Which I understand that, but it is Friday, so I am going to try and upload some stuff on eBay and Mercari tonight because I am going to go yard selling in the morning. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow, no matter what, if we have a sale or not, because I'm going to have to end the video anyways. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It is about 9:30 on a Saturday. I actually woke up around 7 and went out in yard selling, it was a great, but it was kind of bad because I didn't eat, which is not good for me. And now I have a really bad migraine. But I wanted to, did I have a bruise on my arm? I'm sorry. But anyways, I wanted to come on here because we did get a sale today, this morning, off of Mercari. And it is this cute little, from Disney Parks. It is a 12-month future Prince Charming Disneyland little onesie for a 12-month-old. I got this for about 50 cents. And it sold on Mercari for $12. And I will be making, I think, $10 and some change, which is a really good profit. It's very lightweight. The buyer already bought the shipping label and everything, so all I gotta do is just package this up. And it's really cute. I really like it, and I was praying and hoping that somebody would buy this, because if not, I would use it whenever I have if and when I have a boy or a girl. Well, mostly a boy, but anyway, so I think this is really cute. So this is our first sale for Saturday. Hopefully we'll get another sale. If not, I will see you guys later to close out the video. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday, early Sunday, and I'm just here to end the video. But before we end the video, I'm going to show you the little haul that I got from the yard sale. So, quick little update. We only sold 4 items this week, which is totally fine for me. That's what I would expect realistically as a part-time seller. Full-time seller, I will probably be upset. But you have your ups and you have your downs every single week. The past 2 weeks we've been doing great. 12 sales a week, 10 sales a week. So I'm not complaining whatsoever. So this week was a little bit slower, and I just wanted to show you guys because that's life. Some days are highs and some days are lows. So, but I'm okay with that. Anyway, so I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you guys what I picked up at the yard sale last week that I am going to sell. And then there's, I think, one item that I'm actually going to keep. Okay, guys, so this is my little bag, my little Mickey Mouse bag. And then the first item that I'm going to show you is something that we're going to keep. So I found this. It is the chopper. I've seen so many people use this, and a lot of people said that it is like game changing. Everybody loves it. I'm not going to sell this. I'm actually going to keep this. And I only picked it up for $1, you guys. So super excited. And look, this was originally Bed Bath & Beyond, $20. Only paid $1 for it. So I'm super excited about that. One of the sales, one of the houses that I went to, all of their stuff was, I think that was already there. Anyways, this is sealed. One of the houses, they were asking $6, but then whenever I walked up there, they said, how about everything that you get is going to be half off? So I was like, okay, cool. So, I picked up this classic cruiser. It is a kit, and I sold a kit one time, like maybe earlier this year, for about $25, and it sold pretty fast. So this is a new model, sealed. They were asking $6, but I got it for $3. So I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna see where this red came from. So the next one is, I got this little vintage Nickelodeon sweatshirt. It is a size medium. I'm probably going to list this on Mercari because pretty much the clothes sell faster on Mercari. It is Rugrats. It's a size medium right here. And it is Nickelodeon 2019. And I got this for $1. And then I picked up the same house that asked for half off. I picked up this Christmas Miss Piggy. She has a little stain, so I'm going to throw her in the washer soon. And this was 50 cents. So I picked that up. I picked up this this is the last item I picked up from the half off house. This is porcelain napkin rings. This is Christmas, and I believe I didn't open it yet because I was kind of in a rush, but it is the snowman one. They were asking $2, and I got this for $1, and it is a set of 4. Next up, I got this for free. All the stuffed animals was free. This was after I said I wanted to get this. And I should have just picked up the whole tote because there was like a lot of angry beavers and all that stuff. So could have been profit, but who knows? I would never know. But this is, I think, isn't this from, what is that Disney princess? I'm blanking already. Tatiana? Isn't that her? The Princess and the Frog, I believe. Where's My Water? It's from Disney. So I picked it up and this was free. The next thing I picked up was this item was $2. It's a Christmas thing. I sold something similar like this for around $15, and it was actually a smaller version. So I'm going to try to list this and get probably not $15. I don't know. I'll look up some sold comps, but this was only $2. Next, I picked up a Disney mug, and this is another Tinkerbell. This was $2. It has a little rhinestones right here, and then on the bottom it is authentic Disney parks, made in Thailand. So you have Tinkerbell, and it says Tinkerbell. It's green, only for $2. And then I picked up this. This was interesting. I don't know if it will sell or not, but who knows? Maybe somebody up north will buy it. It is a 6-pack hand warmers. You get $10 hours of heat. Never opened, sealed, has the barcode and everything. So I'm going to look those up. Maybe somebody from the north will want it. Next, I picked up this Fossil wallet, and it looks pretty brand new. I got this for $1. I didn't see any sold comps, but I know that Fossil sells it really well. So I'm going to list that. Next up, I found these. This is Detroit Lions, I believe. It is Reebok. I think it's Reebok. Yep, Reebok NFL. I don't know the size, but small, medium. One field NFL, and this is the Detroit Lions. Paid $2 for that. So maybe that will sell. I know, look at my little pal. Next up, I got this for $1, which is a Pokemon book. It's the Pokemon Visual Companion, and it shows like just some different facts and Pokemons and everything. So I think that would be something cool for, you know, somebody that's younger that is just getting into Pokemon. So I just picked this up for $1. It's the 3rd edition. And then last but not least, I picked up this for $1 with the tag. It is a fall theme, which is fine. I'm still going to list it. It's Faith, Family, and Fall. It has a little pumpkin spoon for $1. And it is brand Ray Dunn. It's a spatula and pot holder set. So I am going to sell this as well. I know it's not fall, it's kind of winter now. But who knows, maybe someone will pick it up for Thanksgiving because it's pumpkin pie, you know. Anyway, so that is everything that I got from the yard sale. I didn't spend too much money. I'm going to put the total at the end of this video. But yeah, so I hope y'all, let me just turn the camera around. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I got at the yard sales. It was a super nice day, even though with my migraine and everything. But anyways, I'm going to end this video right now. I hope y'all enjoy these videos, and let me know if you would like to see more of what sells on eBay and Mercari. I'm going to try to do a lot more hauls, maybe at the end of these videos. Let me know down below. I would love to know y'all's feedback. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for the money challenges. Bye.